unmuted. Good.
Hey, why do I know that my time coming up?
Morning, Vietnam. What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Guys, we got a lot to talk about, man. It was 2 days. We did not get to stream yesterday during FOMC, which worked out perfectly because they did F all. But listen, guys, I know you have some questions, man. I know you have some questions. Gio, believe me, look, I'm gonna take the words right out of your mouth. I know the questions, guys. Hold the comments. I already know. Gio, why does the title say Bitcoin looks weak if price is going up? Why, or who is your barber that made you look so fire this morning? And why do you have so much energy even though you don't drink caffeine? Guys, I will answer all those questions for you, but not before I answer what the hell is going on with Bitcoin and what I'm expecting next. Guys, who's in the chat? What's up, chat? Let me say good morning to y'all. Y'all know how it is. Killside, 0 viewers and 4 likes. Killside, good morning, bro. Igor is in the chat. Igor, my man, it's always a pleasure to see you. Dice is here with the dice emoji. We got Iggy, we got Rehars. What's up, my brother? Aaron loves turtles. Okay, that's an interesting comment. I got nothing against turtles. Slow and steady, you know. Turtle's my nickname. Ox the Doctor. Sounds familiar, making it seem like your first stream. Guys, Polar, what's up, bro? Eric, yo, Eric, how, man, listen, I told you, bro, we are invested in this storyline. At least I am, okay? We're invested in this storyline. How's the boot camp, bro? Did you watch it? Did you check it out yet? Phil's in the house. What's up, bro? Bitcoin's really pumping this morning. Something in the news? I have no idea, bro. I am not a newspaper, but I will talk about the analysis here. And guys, we're gonna talk about this potential trade that we might have together. We might take this trade literally together right now on this stream. So make sure you stick around. And guys, as always, I'm not even gonna go there. Never mind. I take back what I was about to say. As always, guys, every 100 likes during this stream, we will be doing a giveaway. So make sure to smash that like button. Good morning, everybody. All right. Mario says, hello, money makers. Menno says, yo, Gio, did I see them whales fighting on the BTC? I did, man. I did. I had a VIP stream for my, a Discord stream for my VIP members today. And we talked about it, man. We talked about how we were probably going to go out. You're on the last boot camp eye-opening. Okay. Shouts out my boy. Shouts out my boy. What's up, B-Rad? How you doing, bro? Okay. You can't wait to... Oh, you're not in the boot camp? Eric, you didn't get in, bro? It was like 5 days ago. Oh, disclaimer, guys. Okay, listen. Thank you. Thank you, Dak. Thank you for remembering. By the way, guys, remember, let's get into the habit of giving me the green circle emoji, green light, so that I know that the sound is good at every stream, because OBS likes to do this thing where it just messes up out of nowhere for no reason. Rendell's in the chat. What's up, my brother? How are you? Good morning. Okay, guys, good morning to everybody. DV, Gramps, Sky, Matt, Matthew. Jabs is in the chat. Let's go, Jabs. Guys, listen. What we are about to talk in this, we're about to talk about Bitcoin. We're about to talk about price predictions. We're about to talk about trade opportunities. We're about to talk about, is Bitcoin bullish? Is Bitcoin bearish? Is the title clickbait? But first, I have to give you guys the disclaimer. Ready? Disclaimer! All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio is an incompetent 5 2 3/4 wannabe singer and definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto is a scam, making money online is impossible, and being fat is acceptable. Viewer discretion is advised, okay? Take all information with a grain of salt. We got the green circles in the chat. Fellas and ladies, or maybe lady, because my female watch percentage is literally like 1%, less than that. What the heck is going on with Bitcoin? All right, let's play a little recap, okay? Let's do a little recap on what is going with BTCZ up in the chat right now. Okay, what is the number one rule, guys? What's the number one rule? Can anybody tell me the number one rule? Man, we might gotta get to this number one rule really quick, because we might have a trade on our hands. We might get a nice short scalp here. But guys, what's the number one rule? The number one rule is whenever you have a green dot, I have many number one rules with Market Cipher, but what's one of the number one rules? When you got a green dot, you got to look to the left, find the vectors, and say that can go there. Okay, maybe I got to change up the thumbnail. I just changed the thumbnail like 30 seconds before I hit stream, like live, but maybe I got to change it back to what it was. But anyways, listen, fine, whatever. You guys know how the YouTubers do, man. We change thumbnails based on what's happening because none of us know what's going on because we're all 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singers and not financial advisors, okay? Listen, the number one rule, you have a green dot on market Cipher B. You look to the left, you find the vector candles. You say, all right, price can go up here. What do we know about the range-based vector candles on top of that? Let me hide these positions because these are for my VIP members. Y'all are greedy. Listen, what do we know about the range-based vectors? Guys, look, watch how easy. Look. Look how much I'm going to provide value for you guys in literally 10 minutes and 42 seconds. Watch this. Especially for the new ones, guys. Look. This is your range. We have a range, right? Nice, clean, sexy range. Where are these vector candles presented? These vectors are presented within the range. Where do range-based... What happens to range-based vectors? 99% of the time, they get recovered. Was this an easy long or was this an easy long? My VIP members, hello, VIPeeps. Y'all saw in the VIP channel when Dak, shouts out Dak, was talking about the 1 hour bull div, and I said, bro, this is a valid bull div, which was when? $900 ago, almost $1,000 ago. Guys, but it's not that hard. You don't need me to tell you. We got hidden bull divs right here on the 2 hour. We got vectors that we can come and recover. So, Gio, why in the world are you saying that things look bearish? Guys, who's new here? Who's it? Is it your if it's your first time here, drop a flag emoji. Let me know where you're from. I don't even know half the flags. I don't even know 80% of the flags, but drop a flag of your city or country. I guess cities don't have flags. Drop a flag of your country. If it is your first time here, let me know, man. I want to greet you properly. I'm Gio, and I'm 5'2" 3/4. Guys, why is my title potentially not the most bullish thing in the world? Well, we are going to talk about it, man. We're going to talk about it. Okay, we're going to zoom out here. We've talked about the macro stuff till we were blue in the face. We've done this already, man, but we're going to do it again because I care about you guys. Listen. Expectational order flow. If you don't know what that means, you don't. Okay, hold on. Let me greet my people here. Okay, K SWAT K. That's a pretty cool name, bro. Shouts out from Toronto. Shouts out to the UK. If I try to give you an accent, bro, you're probably gonna like honestly unsubscribe and like come hunt me because I don't know. Do you know what I mean, lad? Third time here from Holland. Shouts out to you, bro. Jabs is here, bro. 1, 2, 3 on the 1 minute. About to confirm. Listen, we are in the short zone. Jabs, almost. Did we tap it? The local one? Did we get there quite yet or nah? Our trades that we're looking at today. Let's zoom in. Oh, we're almost there, baby. We're almost there. One more push. Did I call the long? Tyson, I did not call any long in VIP. I mean, kind of. I kind of did. I didn't say long here or short here or whatever, but I did say in the VIP. Let's venture on to my VIP. Let's talk about what I did say. I gave a Bitcoin update, and as you can see, so look, in this update, here, I'll make it bigger in the browser. Ready, watch. So I guess I kind of did call it, but I didn't long it. I'm not long. I did not long it. But look, so at whatever time this was, you could see that I put a line up right here. You know, I put my line up saying short setup, whatever, the long from here, whatever. What time was this at? 8:49 a.m. So 2 hours ago, I did draw this out. I illustrated it for my VIPeeps, and I said that I'm going to be looking for shorts basically exactly in the zone that we're at now, okay? So here was the long. Right there was your long. And we're currently in that little square area right there. So I guess I called it. I definitely, like, you know, I didn't take it, but I called it. And I favor the shorts, guys. Honestly, I'm sorry. I favor the shorts. Shouts out to Belgium. Shouts out to Montreal. Shouts out to South Africa. You don't start the day without the money song. Y'all want the money song already? Y'all are. Josh, shouts out to you, bro. Welcome for the first time. First week here, says Zev. What's up, bro? I'm happy to have you here. Or sis, whatever it may be. Mr. Kaiser on the daily. Guys, listen, Miami. Listen, I'm coming to Miami next month. I'll see you there, bro. I'm going to be the one that's screaming and 5'2" 3/4 on South Beach. Jab says inducement. Yeah, maybe, man. But maybe we're going to come up one more time. We're going to talk about it real quick. I got to talk faster because Bitcoin doesn't wait for anybody. ETH, we will check ETH in a little bit. And Dice, bro, with this flag, man. With this flag. Okay, guys, listen. Let's close this because we know that I called this. Look. Why am I bearish more than I am bullish? Look. For the newcomers, my OGs, y'all know what I'm about to do here. But for the newcomers, I have to explain real quick, okay? We're going to do this quick because it's not that hard. There is a word in trading that you may not know, that you need to know, and it is called expectational order flow. It is what you are expecting from the market, okay? What are you expecting from the market? If we pull our highlighter tool, man, y'all have me losing my voice already. If we pull our highlighter tool and we do our daily market structure, okay? Daily structure. We've talked about this many, many times. Daily structure, for the very first time in 4 months, has flipped bearish. Guys, in 4 months. 4 months, it's the first time that we've had bearish daily market structure. People right now, guys, the sentiment a little bit ago, 2 days ago, was very 50-50, okay? By the way, every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does, and I teach you how to build a narrative, and we're going to build the narrative right now. 2 days ago, okay, 2 days ago, when we were down here, not 2 days ago, maybe a week ago, when we were down here, sentiment was very 50-50, okay? At the low of this macro range, let me hide the market structure we know is bearish, okay? We know is bearish. At the macro range of it, okay, the macro range of it, people were very 50-50 at the lows, okay? We had people saying, oh man, you guys didn't buy Bitcoin under 40K. You guys are idiots. Bitcoin's going to 100K tomorrow. I can't believe you're so stupid to not buy it under 40K. It's never going to be below 40K again. Guys, there is a certain individual in crypto who, I don't know the details because I'm not a newspaper, lost his account and like lost his Lambo and his wife cheated on him or something. Whatever, that's besides the point. He called that Bitcoin would never be 47K or less again, and Bitcoin literally went to 15K. So do not listen to all the crap, okay? Don't listen to it. But look, we're in the range, okay? When you're at the low of the range, you can't really get bearish at the low of the range, despite us potentially continuing the breakdown. But look, we dropped, give or take, 21% from the high, okay? People, so that was the bullish side. People are like, oh my God, Bitcoin is 40K. I can't believe you didn't buy, whatever. The other side was Bitcoin's going to zero. Bitcoin's going to zero. It's all game over, whatever. Here's where I stand. Yes, we dropped 20%. We, prior to this 20%, I guess still currently it is as what I'm about to say. Bitcoin, since Bitcoin's conception, okay? Since Bitcoin's conception, Bitcoin has only, has not, how do I word this correctly? Since Bitcoin's conception, Bitcoin, and you said a low amount of nothing yet. Max, I'm getting to it, bro, okay? I'm getting to it. Listen, since Bitcoin's conception, it has gone, since 2011, or hold on. This was the longest time, since Bitcoin's conception, since 2011, that Bitcoin has not dropped 25% or more. It has not corrected 25% or greater. Damn, that took a long time to get out. Okay? It has not dropped 25% or greater since 2011. And we're still in that statistic, okay? It still has not dropped. People are like, oh my God, it dropped so much. We haven't even started, guys. Look at all this liquidity. Look at this vector candle. Look at these areas that they can come to. Watch this. Look at this vector candle they can come to. What do we know? When you see a red dot, we need to know that you can come and recover the liquidity. So, I'm going to teach y'all a little something. Why am I a little bit more bearish than I am bullish? What is the rule that I just said in the beginning of the video? When you have a red dot, you have to look to the left, and you have to say that these vector candles can get recovered. It is irresponsible to say that price cannot come back down here because you have a red dot. And the number one rule is when you have a red dot, you look to the left and you find the vector candles. Not only that, but these are vector candles within a range, which means they are even more so likely to get recovered. But fine. Fine. Max is saying when dump. Max is saying, Gio's saying he hasn't said a whole lot of stuff. All right, Max, listen to me now, bro. Hear me out now. Expectational order flow is suggesting that Bitcoin is going to put in a lower high, okay? Because we flipped bearish, which means this is a protected high. This high should not get taken again. And we should be putting in a lower high, wherever it may be, to then make a lower low. which makes sense because we still have all this liquidity. We still haven't really dumped, guys. Like 25, 21% in the healthiest bull market imaginable. Bitcoin has minus 20% days where it doesn't bounce back with the buy-ups. Whatever. I think people are too bullish, but it's not about what I think. Let's talk about what happened now, okay? So, daily structure flipped bearish, and now, for 2 days in a row, Bitcoin struggled to close above this significant high, okay? Now, this is not a daily time frame high, but if we were to come down to higher time frames, like maybe the 6-hour time frame, or the 8-hour time frame, or the 12-hour time frame, they are definitely significant highs, okay? Why is the title saying it's decision time? Guys, this is a confirmed swing failure pattern. Oh, I just spit all over you. I'm so sorry. This is a confirmed swing failure pattern, okay? This is a confirmed swing failure pattern. Currently, things can change. Things can always change, right? It is our job to identify the probabilities, right? We can't say, oh, it's happening or it's not happening. That's why we use market Cipher, so we can have an edge on our probabilities. But we have an SFP that is confirmed on these higher term time frames. What is the target for an SFP? It is the low that put in the SFP. Why do you think there's an X here? And why do you think there's a check mark here? Because check marks the spot. When we came down to the lows a week ago or 2 weeks ago or whenever it was, what happened at the lows? We mitigated a 2-day order block, fine, but we have another daily order block beneath that 2-day order block, and we have an 18-hour order block. So although you can get a move that comes from a 2-day order block, you can, like, and you can see that we did, right? We mitigated an order block, and then price shot back up. Although that did happen, and that is a fact, it is also our responsibility to identify order blocks beneath that level in which price may go to, okay? And this happens all the time. This just so happens to be a large time frame, but it happens literally all the time. And we need to know that, yeah, okay, we bounced off this 2-day order block, but we could easily come back and mitigate this daily order block and mitigate this 18-hour order block. And when we look to the left and we look at the liquidity to the left that we can make a run for, oh baby, the question remains of if this order block is even going to hold. Okay? I just talked for a long time. I'm going to clear it up right now, okay? We're going to finish here. On top of getting the SFP, so we already just built our more macro narrative, okay? In general, whether this was the lower high or not, we are looking for a lower high. This high, theoretically, should not, doesn't mean cannot, this high should not get taken, okay? Based on market structure, things can flip. I'm not saying they can't. They flipped back here. Look, same thing happened back here. On the daily time frame, we flipped bearish, and then we said yeet, and we said, nah, you're all trapped. Okay? So I'm not saying it can't happen, but it should not happen. Okay? Now, if we decide to come lower, we're going to pay attention to those order blocks, fine. Okay? And if we come higher, there was a question that I have to answer. Where was it? Where did it go? Where did it go? I think it was Max. Oh, but what will the lower high, the high probably be? So this is how we identify our lower high. We do our technical analysis, which I do for you guys every day in the VIP stream, by the way, the Discord. But we have key zones, okay? I'm going to show you the key zones that I showed you last time. These are my levels for where the lower high may come into, okay? These are my levels. And currently, as you can see, and by the way, guys, chat, correct me if I was wrong here. I'm not lying. I did not change these levels. Correct me if I'm wrong. I never changed this. We are right now rejecting perfectly from one of our key levels. And we were looking for these exact levels to put in the lower high. So these are not necessarily scalps. These levels these are macro levels. These are potential swing levels. And although, yes, we might come higher, and although, yes, we might hit this one, you can see very clearly that it says number one, best one here. So I actually hope we come higher, but it's not. But right now, market structure and market Cipher are not aligned for us to go higher, but it may. Okay. But number two, I have short two here. We mitigated some naked daily point of controls that were up here. And guys, what did I say here? Must be SFP. This is an SFP. This is a 2 days in a row SFP. If I had a microphone right now, pretend this is a microphone. Chat, how you guys doing, man? I missed you yesterday. All right, let me play catch up on the comments here. Josh says, yo, I watched one of your Market Cipher B videos last night, man, and now you got me hooked. I'm gonna be here all the time now, homie. Josh, I appreciate you, bro. Man, check them out. My last 4 videos are so fire. They're actually so fire, and I'm not just shooting my own horn. Don't take my word for it. I'm biased. Listen to the others. And guys, real quick, I am doing a giveaway on one of my boot camps, and one of them are Market Cipher. Okay, one of them is Market Cipher, and you guys are able to win my Market Cipher boot camp. Each one is 3 hours long. You have the chance to win every 100 likes that I get during this stream, and rather this whole week. So every 100 likes I get, I do a giveaway. So make sure you hit the like button for me. 145 people in here, only 55 likes. So either 66% of you don't like my voice or don't like my haircut. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right, let's play catch up here. 4.03k subs. Yeah, guys, I hit 4k, man, and I can't not thank you enough. Shouts out to everybody that helped me. You know, shouts out to Jason Casper. Really helped in that. Shouts out to the Discord, man. Y'all were crazy. Okay, B-Rad Crypto says, and quit YouTube today. Should I quit? Or wait, did you say something earlier that I missed? Okay. Oh wait, or are you saying BitBoy quit YouTube? Or are you saying me? I don't know, bro. I don't know which one you're saying. I missed the comment. We should dump already. And oh, I already read that. Okay, BitBoy quitting, whatever. Good morning, Master Gio. Can I show my candle and my Trader's Reality main colors? Yeah. So let's go over the colors, guys, real quick. It's nothing fancy, but we'll go over it here. So under the Trader's Reality main, the red code, it's 100% red, okay? Like they're all at 100% occupancy. Shouts out to Trant. There's your code, FF5252. Pause it if you need to. Green code is 00E676. Pink code is E040FB. And then the blue one is 2962FF. I don't even think I changed these. I think these are the default ones. And then my up candles is all the way the top left one, 100%. And then my down candle is the 5th one from the right, 100%. Those are my candles. Smash the like button. Dude is giving knowledge that he can give for a like. Be better. You heard DV, all right? You heard DV. You're on the 15 on Market Cipher and a green arrow and green money flow. Let's take a look at the 15. So yeah, we're on the 15 right now. Guys, listen, money flow. If you haven't seen my last videos, my last 4 videos, they're fire. They're like 10 minutes each. Okay, so spend an hour. Go watch those video ones. And, and yeah, you know, you could say money flow is heading into the green, but I teach you guys a different way to look at it, okay? I look at it a different way. It's not, how do I say this? It's not, I don't want to say it's not as like linear, because we expected this move to the upside, but just because money flow on the 15 just turned into the green doesn't mean it can't do something like this, right? Where you get a nice turtle. Shouts out to my turtle that said he said he likes turtles. Will the 3-day chart green dot take out the vectors on the left? Let's talk about the 3-day. Okay, watch this. I'm about to drop fire on you guys, okay? I'm about to drop fire. By the way, as far as I know, to my knowledge, I am the only trader that I know, again, that incorporates Tino's vector candles with Market Cipher B and came up with my own strategies around it. To my knowledge, okay? Maybe I didn't and whatever, but to my knowledge. And so, guys, it is a game changer. Shout out to Tino. If I ever get the chance to talk to Tino, man, I will be so humbled. That man changed my life. All right. Watch what I'm about to do live with you guys, okay? Zev asks, will the 3-day chart green dot take out the vectors on the left? It is absolutely, word of the day, unequivocally possible to do so, okay? Let's be objective here. The 3-day time frame is bullish. It looks bullish AF. I'm not going to lie. I think it looks super bullish on the 3-day. However, what do we see on the 3-day? we see a 1, 2, 3 tap. Okay? We see a 1, we see a 2, we see a 3. 1, 2, 3. We know that we have not swept significant liquidity yet. We know that. We went over that already. If you missed it, go back and watch the beginning of the stream. Now, technically speaking, the number one rule is, what's the number one rule? When you see a green dot, you look to the left, you look at the red vector, and you say it can get recovered. Now, there's something with the vector candles, which... I'm the tallest cute hobbit. Listen, it says you can recover 50% of the vector while it technically being considered mitigated. But watch what I'm about to do. This is your 3-day vector. But where within those 3 days resides the most transactions? This is what we're going to find out now. Let's come to the 2-day. 2-day candle is the same as a 3-day candle. Let's come to the daily. Daily candle is also the same. Daily is not a vector candle. Interesting. Let's come to the 18. 18, there's no vectors. Let's come to the 12. 12, there's no vectors. Let's come to the 8. 8, there are no vectors. So hear me out, guys. Watch this. Look. So we can see that there are vectors that reside up here, correct? Right? The 8 has vectors there. The 12 have vectors there. The 18 has vectors there. Now let's come to the 3-day. This is all part of the 3-day candle. Guys, I'm about to give you the most fire. Like, listen right now. Put your phone down. Hey, hold on. Hey, put your phone down. Okay? I'm about to give y'all fire right now. The 3-day has a vector here. The daily has no, the vectors were already up here. Okay? They're up. They're not part of this candle coming down. But the 3-day is part of that whole thing. That's why it's a vector. So the vectors within this 3-day candle, the vectors within the 3-day candle are not on the drop down. They are not on the drop. Look, there's vectors up here. The vectors on the way down are not vectors, or the candles on the way down. This is not a vector candle. This is not a vector candle. So the 3-day vectors within this huge candle reside up in here. Okay, let's make it yellow. Here are the vector candles. They live at the top. Let's come to the lower term time frames and say, did this vector get recovered? Yes, it did. Let's come to the 6 hour. Did this vector candle get recovered? Yes, it did. Did this vector candle get recovered? Yes, it did. Are the vector candles recovered? Yes, they are. Do we need to come up and recover the 3-day vector? No, we do not. Why? Because the point in which this candle was printed, the vectors, the transactions took place at the top, and the transactions at the top have already been mitigated. Where's my microphone? Where is my microphone? Listen, we're gonna do something right now. I'm gonna put the money song on. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Gio, and every single day I bring you guys this heat. And if it's not your first time here, I need your help right now. I need you to help me because social proof. Hello. Don't take my word for it, guys. I need your help. If I have provided you value in any way, shape, or form, if I have helped show you, bring your attention to the vector candles, bring your attention to where the market makers are heading the price, everything else, I need your help. I'm going to play the money song, and I want to see those money bag emojis. Don't even tell me. Every single person in this stream right now should be, where's my money song? Should be dropping the money bags, baby. Because, are you kidding me? I just surprised myself with that one. If I provided you value in any way, let's get those money bag emojis in the chat right now. Are you kidding me? That was so fire. Let's bring the money bags. Damn. Yo, somebody clip that. My mods, I love you, my mods. Thank you for your help. Can you put a timestamp on that? I am so making a reel from that. Money bags, money bags, money bags, money bags. I want to see 1,000. I want to see 1,000 money bags. 1,000 of them. Are you kidding me? Money bag, money bag, money bag, money bag.
Money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get me, motherfucker, get money. Let's Let's get money. Let's get money, motherfucker. Get money.
All right, guys, while we are here, my friendos, y'all know I gotta make the plug in between the next drop. Keep the money bags coming while I hit y'all with this. Guys, if you are looking for a free way to support me, first of all, I have a 20% off discount code for Market Cipher. If you're looking for Market Cipher, the link is in the description down below. Okay? Link is in the description down below, 20% off. And of course, if you want to support me for free alongside hitting the like button, Mexi is the #1 exchange. It is the cheapest on fees, 0.01%. Take your fees, 0% make your fee. If you don't know what that means, you shouldn't be trading. But if you do, that is the exchange that I do. Let's see those money bags, baby!
Money. Let's get money, motherfucker. Get money.
Tom, this is for you, bro. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. That's for you, my boy.
Let's get money. Let's get money, motherfucker. Get money. Let's get money.
I'm good, bro. I'm good, man. How are you? I'm doing swell. I am swell this morning. Guys, it's a good morning, man. I got exciting stuff coming your way. I know it's getting the issue with the chat isn't updating. I don't know, brother. Phil, I don't know, bro. Just started following Tino, but Gio's still the best. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Oh, BitBoy's the one that quit. I didn't know that. Why did he quit? Gio not allowed to quit. Girl, drop it to the flow. I love the way that booty go. Why did we... Okay, let's get into what's happening locally. What did you just click on? Nail biting for fun. Listen, I bite my nails, so you should definitely stay. You should definitely stay, man. Listen to the people. Listen to the people. I asked the people if I provided you value to drop money bag emojis. So go up and you'll see it all. You'll see it. Token checkered crypto as well. You've been here before. I've seen you. Okay, guys, so look. Dude, that vector, like, listen, I wasn't planning on telling you guys that. Not that I wasn't planning on telling you. I didn't like look into that much into it. It just kind of happened. Guys, half the time I say shit, I didn't plan this. Like, I just saw it and then I'm like, okay. And I just really surprised myself with that. Like, I just taught myself that the same time that I taught you guys that. All right, so look, let's look locally at what's happening here. So we have a short idea here that we got front run. Shouts out to Jabs because he said inducement, which we absolutely have inducement on this, okay? Now, are we going to come back up? We can, but this is a short zone in general. So in general, we're not longing, okay? We are not. I'm not. I mean, you guys can. I'm not. Let's talk about what might happen here in the next few minutes, and let's see if we can get into a short trade together. But first, guys, I'm losing my voice, bro. I'm losing my freaking voice yelling at y'all. Someone talk, but he stole a Lambo. Someone talk some sense into him. Good crypto dance party. Guys, I got the best music in all of crypto YouTube. Don't at me. And I'm working with copyright free stuff. So people that are like, Gio, your songs suck. Guys, this is copyright free, okay? Gio, where in Dubai am I going to stay when I become a millionaire? Bro, I don't even know. Where's the main place in Dubai? Okay, disclaimer. Y'all want the disclaimer. Disclaimer! All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio's an incompetent 5 2 3/4 wannabe singer, Duffy not a financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Being fat is acceptable. Viewer discretion is advised. Dude is in shambles, getting sued. Says is spending 25K a week to run his channel. What are you spending 25K a week for? What could you possibly be spending 25K a week for? Like on staff, but isn't he like a one-man show? Anyway, let's talk about what's going on. Man, I wish we came up a little bit higher. I would have shorted it. But look, what's the number one rule, my friendos? What's the number one rule? The number one rule is the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. So maybe we're going to come up and recover this 5-minute vector, which I'm assuming is a 5-minute vector. Show me the money. 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 This 5-minute vector. Perhaps we're going to come back up and recover this 5-minute vector. And we're going to make another high because we are the kings of market cipher. Not me. We are the kings of market cipher. And what if we go whoop, 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 right into our zone? I will short this shit down to 37K. Nose candy. Travis Gio, thanks for the vector explanation. This is someone who knows what he's talking about. Thank you, Wacko. Shouts out to you. I appreciate you. Guys, how many likes are we at? 91 likes, 144 people. Every 100 likes, I do a bootcamp giveaway, which is 3 hours of me losing my voice on you guys. And so, if you want to win the giveaway, you know what to do, my friendos. You know what to do. All right, guys, can we just like chill for a sec? Can we just like, man, I need to like catch my voice here for just a second. Hold on. Let's just like put on a fireplace for just like two minutes. Like, we just chill. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. That's the stuff right here. Just like for like a second. Like, I just need to, you know, when you like come back from like a concert or something, and then you get home and your ears are ringing and you're just like, can we just watch this complete Tommy. Listen, we just switched it up. Watch this. Watch what I'm gonna do with the comments now. We're gonna switch up the vibe completely for just 2 minutes, and then we're gonna come back to me screaming. I need Halls. Halls needs to sponsor me because I lose my voice every single day. Guys, watch this. Terno says, what would you do if you were only limited to longs on spots? Well, Ternos. Is that Temos or Ternos? Ternos. What would I do if I was only limited to longs on spots? Ternos, I'm going to answer that question for you. And, I would not start buying until 30K, but realistically, until 25K. Geo, I know what you're thinking, guys. Geo. Why are you saying 25K? Guys, very easily why I'm saying 25K. We know that naked points of controls like to get tackled. Do you see this complete clusterfuck of naked point of controls? Do you guys think that the smart money is not going to make a run for their money? Come on, guys. I know you know better than that. I know that you guys are not permabulls. I know you're not. Because if you were permabulls, then you would be liberals. And I know you're not that. So let's just wake up and smell the campfire. Let's just all get a nice warm glass, hot chocolate on a cold winter day and just sit together and start buying spot at 25K. Because there's no way that we're not going to go there. You know that, and I know that. So, to answer your question, Ternos or Temos, what would I do if I was only limited to longs on spot? I would buy at 25K. Guys, put me in a box. Put me in a box. In a box by myself. And I will entertain myself. And if you don't like it, then you know what? Create your own stream. Falling asleep with this music, stop the after school special. Oh man, my voice. Why do I hate you? DV. DV. The campfire smells like poop. Wait, you're gonna grab your bathtub and listen to it? Mods, I need you to timestamp that for me, please. Deep Thoughts by Gio. Oh man. All right, let's hit a banger. Let's switch it up. Man, my freaking throat, guys. Mr. Bombastic. Good morning, sophisticated dirtbag. Fly fishing. What was my best leverage with a small margin that I gave the best results? What was the best leverage with small margin that gave me the best results? Well, I'm a sniper, so I look like, for example, this is what I do. I'm gonna tell you exactly. Look, I'll show you actually. Oh, it's here. So this is what I do, okay? And this morning, when I gave, excuse me, oh my goodness, this morning when I gave my VIP members this level, I said in the VIP level, or my goodness, I said in the VIP Discord that this is not an exact stop loss, okay? We're gonna be looking for the reaction here in this order block, and let's just say that let's just say we saw this reaction, but we saw it after we touched the order block, so we just front ran it a little bit. But let's just say we saw it, then I would have lowered my stop loss like this, and then I would have like shorted the farm, right? And so although we didn't see it, oh my goodness, man, although we didn't see it, that's how I would do it. So then that's how you can get a really strong or a really high leverage position, right? And you can put a lot more money than you have down by being a sniper and having the discipline to wait. So if I front ran it, I wouldn't have put my stop loss this low because this is my level. I do not trade unless price is in my level. So if it goes down to 0 from here, sucks for me. I do not trade unless price is in my level. But I'm still short and I'm still holding my shorts. I way favor the shorts than I favor the longs, as I mentioned. Guys, give me like 2 minutes. Yeah, man, I drink so much water and then people tell me I drink too much water. I have at least one of these a day. Guys, give me like 2 seconds. I'm gonna go get hauls. I'm so sorry. Listen, I'm gonna hit you guys with an ad right now. You're not gonna miss anything anyways. It's a free way to support me if you guys want to support me. Okay, I'm gonna hit you with an ad. I apologize. Please don't skip it. You're not gonna miss anything anyways. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Ow. go. I don't even drink coffee, but I'm honey. All right. Hey, where are we at with Bitcoin? So, let's see. Are these vectors? Guys, this could be the high, man. Look, I'm not playing. When I, where would my short TP be? Bro, I'm honestly targeting like 37K. You could even, these are swing trades, guys. This is a potential swing trade. Which time frames between noise and information for entry on market Cipher for scalping? It depends on like, man, people always ask me what's my favorite time frame, and my answer is always the same. I use all time frames. But if you're like want to keep it simple, I like the 5. I like the 5, and I like the 1 to enter. Interesting, but like, I know you say leverage doesn't matter, but what is my best trade setup? Or like example, in that example, normally would I go for a 50x? It doesn't matter, man. Leverage doesn't matter. As long as your liquidation is above your stop loss, it does not matter. It literally doesn't matter. Literally does not matter. Wow, yesterday CVD was very bearish. I just noticed it now. Didn't take that short. Congrats to whoever took short with JP. I don't know who JP is. Yo, if I have 1 cup of coffee, guys, I'm awake for like 4 days. Masood, what's up, bro? Okay, guys, so look, right now on the 3-minute time frame, we got thick money flow. This is definitely a cheat sheet entry. This is definitely a cheat sheet entry. Let's see. This looks very cheat sheet entry-y. I guarantee it is. Yeah. Okay, we got a cheat sheet entry right here on the 3-minute time frame, so we should be targeting the high. Thick green money flow. Green dot below the 0 line. Hidden divergences on the lows. Price coming down into the 50 EMA. 50 EMA is above the 200 EMA, and vector candles to the left to get recovered. This is 100% a cheat sheet entry. And so, what we should expect now is whoop, 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 whoop. Jason Pasper. Actually, what's funny is when he, I was in his stream yesterday, and he was like, I don't know, something gun to his head. If he had to long or short, what would he do? And he said long, and I shorted like 2 seconds before that. Oh, Jerome Powell. 100 likes. Okay, guys, we do have 100 likes. We do have 100 likes. Matt, 37K, because I do think that we can come for the low. And if we come to the low, we have order blocks down at 37.5. These order blocks, guys, these order blocks down here are the last thing stopping us from like 33K. So if we lose these order blocks, we're going to shoot straight down to 33K in 1 day. And then probably the next day, we're going to shoot down to 30K. Like, guys, we're going to have really, really, really red days. They're coming. Don't think they're not coming. They are coming. Whether we go up first or not, they're going to come back to 30K. Don't I get hit with fees on high leverage? Good question, Carolina. I do not. Why do I not? Because MEXC is the #1 exchange in the world, and it has the cheapest fees in the world. 0.01% maker fee, 0% taker fee. They lowered their fees again, so I can long and short all day, baby. and not get hit by it. So let's see we're gonna follow along the 3 minute here. We should come up. Well, we already recovered the vector, but let's see. At 43K would be a good enter point. We need to see any bear divs. Guys, every single trade you enter should have a bear div or a bull div. Every single one. You should never be entering a trade that did not have a divergence. How's the funding rate? The funding rate is positive right now. And even the entire move up, man, the funding rate was ridiculous. The entire move up. Okay, guys, listen, as promised, we hit 100 likes. So thank you guys for 100 likes. Now, I have good news and I have bad news. Bro, why does it show? No, yeah, these are the fees. These are the fees. Bro, why does it show maker 0, taker 0.1? Because those are the fees. So if you set a limit order, it's a 0% fee. If you set a market order, it's 0.01% fee. Yeah, man, these fees are sick right now. I don't know why they lowered it, but it's so sick. I'm so happy they brought it back. I'm so happy they brought it back. Okay, listen. We're doing a giveaway. I have good news and I have bad news for you. The good news, well, I guess if you paid attention, it's good news for you. If you didn't pay attention, it's bad for you. So guys, if this is your first time here, I don't always lose my voice. But if it's your first time here, I do bootcamp giveaways all the time. This bootcamp giveaway is a little bit different. I told you guys, follow my Twitter. Okay? I told you to follow the Twitter. If you followed the Twitter like I told you to, you would have seen this video. Okay? You would have seen this video. Yo, Twitter, hear me out. On my YouTube, every single day, I do bootcamp giveaways, okay? If you guys want to learn Market Cipher B, for example, 4 hours of pure fire, and you can win the giveaway. I do it on YouTube every single stream. This stream is going to be different. Because you are following me and because I care ever so much about you. If you repost this video, you will be entered into my next YouTube giveaway, okay? This is exclusive to Twitter. This is what you get for following me. I appreciate you. Repost this. Make sure you're following, and you might win a boot camp. Yo, Twitter, hear me out. Listen, you heard the freshly cut man. Guys, we have 21 retweets. These 21 people are the only people that are entered. How do I check who retweeted? These are the only people that are entered, okay? We got 21 people down the list. I'm not refreshing it. Here's what I'm going to do. Here's the bootcamp giveaway winner. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a number generator. Random number generator. Okay, we are going to generate from 1 to 21. How many was it? Was it 21? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2. 22! 1 to 22, guys. Whoever it lands on is the winner. And we're going to do from the top down. Okay? From the top down. Generate. 17. 17 is the winner. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Justin Luna, sir, you are the winner. Please DM me. Let me just double count and make sure. 17 from the low. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Wait, did I just... Are more people joining it right now? I don't know if more people are joining it right now. Did it change? Can somebody go back and tell me if it changed? I think people are doing it now and it's messing the numbers up, man. Okay, listen. Justin Luna, I told you that you won, so you're still gonna win. Please message me on Twitter, and I will absolutely honor the fact that I thought that you won. Okay, I will honor it. So you DM me and let me know which bootcamp you want. Okay, we got 4 bootcamps: market structure, key zones, order blocks, and that one. Okay, the next giveaway. Guys, the whole point was I wasn't supposed to refresh it. But now people are doing it. People are doing it now, man. People are doing it. Okay, but listen, I'm going to honor that, and I'll do another one on YouTube right now. Let's do another one on YouTube because I'm in a good mood. I'm in a good mood. Let's do another one on YouTube. Let's head over to my channel. Let's go to my previous live stream. Okay, here's what we're going to do, guys. You're going to come over to this live stream. We're going to do another one because I didn't know that wasn't going to work out. Head over to this live stream. Make any comment you want. I don't care what you comment. Make sure you like the video while you're there. And the random emoji that you have to have included, no matter whatsoever, is going to be a ghost emoji. So comment anything you want in that YouTube video and hit a ghost emoji in the comment. If there's no ghost emoji, you do not win. And say anything you want. I don't care what you comment. We will do the giveaway here in 6 minutes. In the meantime, let's talk about what's going on with BTCZ, baby. So, we came up to our zone ever so slightly when we front ran it, unfortunately. Okay, we unfortunately front ran it. Now, we got to figure out if how we're gonna get back in because things are not looking like too hot here. We'll see. Look, 15-minute time frame, 12-minute time frame, 10-minute time frame. We do have money flow coming up. We do know that the bigger the money flow, the more chances of divergences, and we do know that we don't have any divergence. Excuse me, we don't have any divergences here on the 12 yet. Okay, we don't have it yet. I like the idea. Excuse me, sorry guys, I'm hiccuping from this tea. I like the idea of coming up one more time, tapping into our order block, and then shorting this guy down to the lows. Now look, technically the target for any swing trades right now should be the macro low is the technical target, which is 38.5, okay? Remember that even if the short here doesn't play out, guys, we have levels above us. These are my key zones. We've talked about this. And right, we came into my short zone, which is potentially a short zone, which is a potential swing trade. But I even have up here that this is the best one. I would rather come up to 46K and then we can short that down to 38K as opposed to shorting it down from here. But does that have to happen? Not necessarily. Okay, so I need you guys to understand this. Wherever you're trading, whenever you're trading, remember expectational order flow on the daily time frame. The daily time frame, no matter what anyone tells you, right now is suggesting that we are going to be putting in a lower high. So any short that you catch, you should take it with the expectation to potentially take the low. Because on the daily time frame, that is our expectational order flow. On the daily time frame, market Cipher B, what did we see? What did we see? When we came up to these levels of resistances, which we were talking about for a very long time, when we came up here, guys, we have, what do we have? What's the number one rule? The thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. We have, not only that, but we have a 1, 2, 3 tap, do we not? We had 1, we had 2, we had 3, we had 1, we had 2, we had 3. Not only did we have a huge bearish divergence on this wave, but it is the third tap and we have money flow diverging as well. So based on the daily time frame, this is a spike wave. Guys, in the last stream, I created a new type of wave. So these are the way that I name the waves, okay? My last video, I talked about significant waves versus insignificant waves, okay? I define them. Go watch that last video. This is, I'm going to make a video on it, is a new term that I just came up with during last stream. It is called the spike wave. This is absolutely a spike wave on the daily time frame, on top of the fact that we had the divergences and then we had the confirmed market structure flip. I, in no way, shape, or form, believe that this high is going to get taken again. I think we're coming down to 30K. I do not think, and if I'm wrong, I will eat my words and I will say that I was wrong. But I do not think we're going to tap this high. This is the first time that we flipped bearish market structure in 4 months. We still have not taken serious liquidity. And so, although I'm not long on this move up, which I told my VIP members, I was like, I'm not even taking this. I fully expect to come much lower, and I favor the shorts, and I will hold the shorts a lot more than I will hold the longs until I am proven wrong. The point in where I am proven wrong is if we break this guy up here. But remember what we said earlier on stream today. We were talking about the vector candles, but we were saying that the vectors were already recovered up here. So does Bitcoin need to come up here? No, it does not. It doesn't need to come up here. It can, but it doesn't need to. Okay? You missed the link in the chat. Here, I'll send it again. All right, my friends, let's do our giveaway. Let's do the giveaway, baby. So it looks like this is going to be the rejection, man. It's a little bit sad. It's a little bit sad that it looks like that we're rejecting a little bit early. And guys, let me just say this as well. It is hard AF to trade while I'm live. Like, it is so hard to trade live with you guys, man. It is hard. All right, how many, let's see what our comments are at. What are we at? We got 54 comments. Guys, these are low comments, man. How many people we got in the stream right now? We got low comments. I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes here. Guys, click on the link that I just posted. Make sure you like the video. If you don't like the video, it doesn't count. If there's no ghost emoji, it does not count. We're gonna do a giveaway for one of my boot camps here. Bum, 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 bum. All right, who wants me to look at some alts? Oh, Gramps, I'm sorry, bro. Listen, the majority of them are gonna remain on YouTube anyways, but that was just like a little exclusive. Polar been in here ever since my video with flopping Groper. Dope, bro. I'm getting the bootcamp as my birthday present this month. Happy birthday, bro. When it's your birthday, let me know. You're announcing it at 5 right now? Okay, no worries, no worries. Yeah, I need to get in that short ASAP. Let's see if we can get into the short. So I still would rather come up. But let's see what we could do with the short if we're not going to come up. We could... I mean... I don't know. I don't know if it's time to short yet. Okay, 2-minute structure is this. Actually, it's technically this. So maybe up here. Maybe this guy. I don't know how confident I am with this guy, though. But maybe this guy. We'll see if Bitcoin gets up there, how it looks. We shall see. You got your finger on the trigger. Yeah, guys, fingers on the trigger, man. If we come up, it's better. If we come up one more time, diverge here on the 3, this would be better. Come up one more time, tap this. That would be way better. My level hit on Coinbase. I gotta like start exploring different charts because Bybit USD has not been doing it for me lately. Maybe I'll move back to USDT. Lol, good luck shorting this move. Are you suggesting that it's gonna keep going higher? Because I'm only gonna take the short if it looks good. Daily money flow just puking. Lol, ETF listing marketing the top will be something I'll laugh at for years if 49k was the high. Yeah. Just know that I will die. Gio, maybe talk with flopping Groper to do a market cipher giveaway. Oh man, I mean, I don't know if they're gonna do that. Maybe I'll convince them to do a market cipher giveaway for like my 10k subs. Yeah, I usually look at Coinbase and I usually look at Binance. Up. Why not? They are very humble. Hey, I'm not saying that they won't do the giveaway. I'm just saying it. I mean, I don't know. Like, it's not my giveaway to do, you know? Like, I don't really know. That's all I'm saying. I'm sure they will. Well, I'm not sure that they will because I don't know, but I don't ever trade with Confluence. I always trade with Confluence, bro. This level is Confluence. The reason I have this level is because of Confluence. When we came up to our high, there was Confluence up at the high, right? Look, earlier this week, 2 days ago, I shorted with my VIP Discord at the highs here because we have Confluence up here. I only trade when there's Confluence. I don't trade in the middle of nowhere. I will always pull levels, and then Market Cipher B is the confirmation, right? But I don't just use Market Cipher. Do I ever charge stocks? I don't. I do not trade stocks. Okay, let's look at Link. Let's look at Link. Link. Oh, wow. Interesting. So Link is actually... Link actually came up to an order block that I had drawn out previously. Oh, man. Link. This is the high for Link. This order block is the high for Link. Is it? Maybe not. Maybe not, actually. Maybe not. Listen, Link has thick money flow, and with Link, what do we know? The thicker the money, or well, with anything, what do we know? The thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. So we could be waiting for our 1, 2, 3 tap essentially, and this could be your 1, right? We could be forming the 2 right now, and then we could even come up one more time. So it could be like 1, 2. We come down a little bit. This is a significant wave if it prints, and then maybe we come up one more time, take the high, and then that's your 3. I don't know. Hold on, let me read something. So you mean I only enter trades on divergence? Yeah, I mean, like, I wait for a price to get to a key level, and then if there are divergences at that key level, that's when I enter. That's why my entry is 42,930. Where, on what? Let me see, 42,930. Where do you see my entry? Awake when I'm asleep. Where did you see my entry? I don't even think I posted my entry. And by the way, let me just add this real quick. Guys, I long and I short like 10 times a day, right? So even if like, look, we did short, and my VIP knows, but we did short from up here. We had plenty of chances. I actually shorted. I actually went over how easy of a short this was. This was the easiest short ever. And if I shorted here and my entry is 42,930, it's because I added to my short. Or it's another one. I got like 5 accounts. But we shorted from up there. Let's see. I'm gonna go back to Lincoln here a second. See, I spoke with his friend who does bets, and he gave a 50% discount for some guy, whatever, for the people in the market Cipher. So maybe some. Hey man, maybe bro, maybe he'll do it. I'll ask if for like 10K, if they're willing to do it. Sure. If like, you know, if I'll pay half of it, right? Lifetime is 1,500, so I'll pay 700, and then they're willing to cover their other half. Sure. I don't have enough money to cover the whole thing. Like, I'm not caked like that. Otherwise, I would, but I can't afford to do that. Which one of my videos covers taking profits? I have videos on how to trade ranges. You can go check those out. Also, you'd like to see Market Cipher Trading Wars with me, JC, Evan Aldo, CryptoFace? Yeah, I agree that it would be cool. Yeah, I want to go back to Link, but guys, listen, you already know what time it is, man. I do this every stream, and I'm sorry. I will be back in 5 minutes. Drop an emoji on what I'm about to do. Y'all know, I'll be back. I'm sorry, guys.
To make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems when I fall asleep.
It turns slow. All right, what's going on with BTCZ here real quick? Yeah, you already know, man. This guy says, where's the masturbation emoji? Bro, that is so funny, man. Oh, 43, whatever, because that's my short tool shoot. Oh, bro, no, man. Listen, this one was a new trade. Matt, bro, this was going to be a new trade, but we front ran it, so I didn't even take it. CIC trader Gio be so successful that he will be able to do one or nothing. It just takes some time, my guy. Hey, bro, listen, look, just because I have a good idea of the market and whatever, I still gotta like practice good risk management. So like, I'm not making like thousands of dollars a day like these other guys are. I'm like full disclosure, you know, full transparency. I am not. I'm making like, you know, like not 100, like I mean sometimes $100, sometimes 200, sometimes $300 like a day or a couple days or whatever. Like I make enough to make a living, but I'm not pulling in like 10 racks a day. That's not what I'm doing. All right, let's do the giveaway real quick, and then we'll do link, and then we'll do ETH, and then we'll call it a stream. Highly recommend anyone who wants Market Cipher to buy 1-year membership with their favorite creator affiliate link. MC lets you pay the difference. Yeah, I agree with that. You could do that. And then they will also give you like they will rebate your 1 year. So if you buy it for 1 year and then you buy the lifetime, they will deduct it. By the way, guys, let me just add real quick. I swear it's the last time I do this. I'm sorry. And I'm only saying it because this comment. If you purchase Market Cipher for 1 year, or sorry, for lifetime with my affiliate link, and you DM myself or my moderators the invoice, then you get 1 year free of my VIP Discord, okay? So you basically get like $360 on top of that. Okay, you get 1 year free if you buy it for life. Let me just say that. Okay, we're gonna do link. Let's come back to link. Let me answer a couple things, and then we'll do ETH, and then we'll call it a day. Here, real quick. Yo, Gio, would love to help you get to 10K subs. How can you get in contact? PT, bro, just DM. Come in the Discord. The link's in the description, and DM one of the moderators, and they'll get you in contact with me. Who could would this front run count as inducement? Yeah, I would say so. I would say so, yeah. I was the first person who took Market Cipher via Gio when he started his channel, and I'm still watching Market Cipher like TV like Gio did. Yeah, man, you gotta watch it like TV, guys. The best advice. Listen, I'm gonna say this, and then I'm gonna glyph. Hi. Nice to meet you, guys. The best advice I have for you on Market Cipher is all times are an oscillator in themselves. If you want to get better with Market Cipher, watch this bitch on the 1 minute time frame and just study it. Just watch it, okay? Look at how they move. Pay attention to where the dots are and how the money flow moves and whatever, because the same way that the 1 minute moves is the same way the daily moves. And if you can get good at identifying the fake dots and the good dots and whatever else, then you'll get good at doing it on the daily time frame. Okay. Let's talk about Link. So Link, okay. Link, the number one rule we know is the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. I've said that many times. You guys know that I've said that, whatever the case is, okay? We are in this higher term time frame right now, order block on Link. But let's even start earlier than that because I did this TA quite some time ago, I believe. So look, Link, guys, we are in a range. We're in a range on Link, okay? We're in a range on Link. I don't like... Oh, actually, no, that was a lie. Okay, here's your low. There's your low SFB. We're finding resistance currently at this weekly order block. Fine. You know, nothing really crazy. We got a 4-hour order block that we're currently in right now. By the way, guys, I'm going to tell you guys the same thing that I say literally every single day, which is whenever you're trading your alts. Did this tap? Oh, wow. We have inducement here. Whenever you're trading your altcoins, guys, literally whenever you're trading your alts, you always need to be paying attention to what Bitcoin is doing. Okay? Always. This is a non-negotiable. You have to know what Bitcoin is doing, because if Bitcoin's going to shit the bed, like we talked about how it may later on, then your alts are going to do the same. Okay? So let's talk about Link. What do we have on Link, guys? What do we know? The thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. We've said that many times. Okay? Similarly to Bitcoin, right? Just like Bitcoin, or Link had our 1 tap, our 2 tap, and our 3 tap. Okay? Our 1, our 2, our 3. And the 3rd tap, guys, is a spike wave. Okay? This is a spike wave. Right here is a spike wave. So, naturally, we should expect price to actually like play out and come down. Okay? Now, we had a pretty decent move and we took the low. So perhaps that was already the result of the spike wave. But as you can see, you get a spike wave, you get a big move down. Spike wave down, let's just say. So look, market structure on the daily, on Link. Okay, what do we have? We have up, we have down, we have up, we have down, we have up and SFP. This was your target. We have down and SFP. This is your target. And then everything else is internal. So this is your daily high. This is your daily low. Everything else is internal on the daily time frame. Interesting, right? What do we have at the highs here? Although we had our 1, 2, 3 spike wave, we have inducement of this order block here. We also have a very key level of SFP up here. So, if market structure is king, which it is, and the clue that we were going to... when you SFP the low, for example, the target is to tackle the high, and market Cipher right now on the 15-minute time frame, whenever it loads, is looking thick like this. Okay, when market Cipher money flow is thick like Lizzo, when market Cipher money flow is thick like Lizzo, that's funny. You know, we're not gonna expect Link to stop at this order block. Okay? So we would naturally expect higher. Remember, we only take the trades at the key levels when market Cipher agrees with the narrative of us stopping at that level. Okay? Now remember, it's important to follow Bitcoin. Okay? It's important to follow Bitcoin. But right now, it's looking like Link doesn't want to stop. Okay? It's looking like Link wants to keep her moving. So, where can it come to? It could theoretically reject off of this inducement, but I'm not crazy about it, because why would they come back for like literally 1 penny? It makes way more sense that Link is going to come for the high. Okay, it makes way more sense that Bitcoin is going to come for the high. Let me change this song. Whatever. Makes way more sense it's going to come for the high. What other levels do we have here on Link? Well, I have a square up here. Okay, we got a macro golden pocket up here. I don't know if we have any naked dailies or whatever. I don't do that kind of TA on altcoins, but we do have a macro golden pocket here. We can SFP this guy, and let's see if we have any order blocks. We have an 18-hour order block up here. trying to holler at me. Take more love from me. Okay, so we got an 18-hour order block up there, and honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if Link makes its way up, because remember, when you're building the narrative, you need to be aware of what Bitcoin is doing. You need to be aware of your levels, and you need to be aware that, of your swing failure patterns as well, right? You need to be paying attention to your vector candles, as we did on Bitcoin, and say, okay, it's likely that it could come there. But I like this level a little bit better. I do like this level a little bit better on Link. Actually, we can even drag that down like this. Yeah, I do like this level a little bit better. Actually, we'll keep it because I don't know what I did before, but I trust myself. So I think Link is going to come higher, guys. I do think Link's going to come higher. Just based on market structure alone, just based on that SFP alone, just based on the fact that market Cipher is looking pretty bullish right now on the 15-minute time frame while we're at this order block, which is the place for it to make sense to reject from. Because this guy doesn't really make too much sense, and I mean, after that, we're at the high. So it makes sense that we're probably going to come and take the high for Link. Oh, no. What is inducement? Inducement is when they front run your order block. And the idea behind inducement essentially is like, if you have your order block here and price comes up and doesn't tap it, the idea is the smart money that is involved at this level is defending their positions and they're shorting again, sending price down. And so the idea is when we come back up to that level, then it will be a strong reaction and we'll get like a real move down. All right, let's do the giveaway, guys. So I'm gonna refresh the page. What are we at now? All right, we're at 73 comments, guys. I'm gonna come and do a YouTube comment picker. Oh, wait, we know what we got to do for the giveaway. Y'all know what we're going to do for the giveaway. Listen, if you guys are on that side... Listen, actually, let me rephrase. It was not long ago where I was on your side of the screen trying to learn this game. Okay? It was not long ago where I was on your side of the screen. I am no better than you. If I could do it, you can do it. Okay? I believe in you. And I got high hopes for you. Okay? I believe that you can do it. Now, this next person that I just pressed the button on and I'm going to roll it is going to be the winner of my giveaway. And I believe in you. And I hope that this boot camp does you wonders, and I hope that I can help change your lives. Okay, I got high hopes for you, baby. It's giveaway time. Let's get some random emojis in the chat. Giveaway, baby. Okay, I'm gonna give it 60 seconds. 60 seconds, okay? Ghost emoji, ghost emoji, ghost emoji, ghost emoji, ghost emoji. Go. 60 seconds. Wanted everything, mama said.
Museum victories every day. We wanted everything, mama said, don't give up. It's a little complicated, all tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting.
All right, guys, giveaway time. How many are we at now? All right, 79. Listen, I'm doing it. I gave y'all the time. Let me refresh one more time. All right, the winner of the boot camp it's Tom. Good luck, everybody.
Stay up on that rise, never come down. Oh, stay up on that rise, never come down.
Man, Tyson Prosper, you are the winner of the boot camp giveaway, of the second giveaway that we're doing on this stream. And guys, if you didn't win, don't be sad, because I do giveaways every single day, and every 100 likes I get on the stream, I do a giveaway. Mr. Tyson Prosper, if you are a mister. Head over to the YouTube, click on your little profile on the top right, screenshot that for me, DM it to one of my moderators in the Discord, and let them know which boot camp you want. Congratulations, guys. We're doing this every single day, so don't be sad. Man, y'all are nice, because when I lose, like if I lose, I would be like a sore loser about it. I'd be like, man, screw you. Congrats though, bro. Congratulations. And yo, thank you guys for kicking it with me every day, man. I have mad fun. Y'all are like, my dream is coming true. Okay, so look, what do we say on Bitcoin here? What did we say here on Bitcoin, guys? We said that we had a cheat sheet entry, and it kind of got a little bit bumpy there, but it's kind of working out. So we're gonna see right now what happens at this, like, this sentence is not gonna make sense, but I'm gonna say it. We're gonna see what happens at this young order block here, okay? At this young order block, we're gonna see what happens here, because if this order block does not hold, then we're gonna come and take the high again, and I hope we do. I hope we come and take it. What are the bootcamp choices? Yo, shouts out to James, bro. James has been in my community for so long. Here are your choices, bro. We got four bootcamps. Okay, market structure bootcamp, keyzones and building the narrative, order blocks and liquidity, market cipher B, and time frames. And this one, guys, the market cipher B is so comprehensive. It is so complicated. But, you know, it's pretty, I think it's fire. But I'm biased, man. If you guys want to know, you want to see the reviews on them, come over to the Discord and you will see testimonials, right? Other people left testimonials based on the boot camps. You guys can check them out. You can see what you, how you feel about them. Let's see what happens here at this order block. Soul 4 hour CSC. Actually, guys, yeah, I would say so. I would say Solana 4 hour cheat sheet entry. And not only that, but we SFP'd the low. I think Solana is actually looking really good. Interesting. Good call. I do think Solana is looking pretty good. That is interesting. And I think Bitcoin, like, you know, again, don't get the title twisted and the thumbnail twisted or whatever. But this right here, like me saying that it doesn't look strong or whatever, doesn't mean short this second, okay? This guy, best one. It says best one for a reason. I don't want anyone to come back and say, ha ha ha, you didn't listen. Anytime they do that, I'm like, clearly you didn't watch the stream. All right, Aaron says, guys, if you haven't realized this yet, G is the most down-to-earth, open dude you will find. You found a gem. Hey, Aaron, I appreciate you, bro. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you, bro. Glyph says, what courses, etc. did I learn from? I learned from life experience, and I learned from losing many, many times. And then I took Jason's course, Jason Casper's course. Shout out to Jay. And then I took, market structure I already knew. Order blocks I kind of knew, but then I took Phoenix's course, and so that topped it up. And then market cipher is honestly all me. Market cipher is me staring at the market cipher, staring at market cipher on the 1 minute time frame for 3 years. So market cipher is like literally all me. Like on the bootcamp part of it, like the things I teach in it is what I mean. So is the cheat sheet entry when we get a green dot? Okay, so John, a cheat sheet entry, I have a video on this, but a cheat sheet entry is a cheat sheet entry is a signal that I discovered with market cipher, and let's go over it. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys right now man, I'm ADHDing right now, bro. Okay, let me tell you the conditions of it. Ready? Thick green money flow. Oh, and I learned the like the market maker ways and vector candles and all that from Tino. Yeah, you're right. You're right. But I don't, that's not really in the boot camps. I mean, building the narrative is part of that. Okay, so listen. This is what a cheat sheet entry is. Very easy, okay? There's a lot of checks. So if you want to get a pen and paper, write it down. I also have a video on it. Let's write the checks, okay? Number one, non-negotiable. Money flow has to be thick in the green. Okay, use your discretion on this. There's no number that it has to be at. You don't have to say, oh, money flow has to be here. No, it doesn't have to be here. But use your discretion. Look at where money flow is related to like its previous point in time. Okay, so thick green money flow. Green dot below the 0 line. Okay, green dot on Solana below the 0 line. Check. Okay, we got 2 checks. Red vectors coming into the 50 EMA. And then essentially the 50 EMA holding. Check. Okay, that's 3. So thick green money flow. Green dot below the 0 line. Vector candles being retraced, I guess, into the 50 EMA. 50 EMA must be above the 200 EMA. Check. I think that's it. Am I missing anything? I think that's it. And so if this green dot confirms, then this is absolutely a cheat sheet entry, and we can target the high. Good entry on Sol, even with the red dot on the daily and the VWAP flopping down. Well, you got to understand where we are in the cycle, right? Like, Solana has some highs that it could come and take as well. And you got to know that, like, you might just get a green dot, red dot formation here. Like, this red dot might disappear. Yeah, might disappear on Solana. Oh, hidden bear div. Yeah, bull div. Yeah. So this red dot might disappear on Sol. And then we'll get faked out for, like, a couple days. It'll come up for a couple days, perhaps. And then we'll get another red dot. And then, like, that could be your short. But really, the target is this high only. Yeah, and there needs to be a hidden bull div. So let's see if we have a hidden bull div. Yeah, we do, right? So price is making a higher high. Right? Price is making a higher high. While your momentum waves is making a lower low. And by the way, guys, let me just say this. If... No, there doesn't need to be a golden nugget for the cheat sheet entry. Guys, let me just say this. So, if you guys want to purchase my VIP Discord for $30 a month, it is... I update this thing literally 10 times a day. I give video updates. I give photo updates. I live stream like once, twice a day, all the time. And so, one of the things that you get access to, which I want to start encouraging my people to use more of, but we have a cheat sheet entry channel as well. So whenever you guys see a cheat sheet entry like our friend here did, John said, who said the Solana one? Oh, here, like Alex said, so 4-hour cheat sheet. So when you see it, you have access to this channel, and you know, we can like send cheat sheet entries to each other on multiple time frames and whatever the case is, and obviously help each other out. And not just that, guys. Listen, everybody in crypto is kind of like weird and like sketchy and like, I don't know, man. Like, you know, CryptoFace says it all the time and says how it's almost like they don't know that we're on the same team here and they're kind of toxic. But this Discord, and I'm going to say this, I'm going to be very honest with you guys. The VIP portion, ever since I made it paid, I'm sorry, it is way better. And it's not even about the money. The people that are in here, A, want to learn, and B, want to be there. So I mean this in the most respectful way. It kind of like filtered out the bullshit. Like it filtered out like the shitty people. And I'm sorry, because I like to think a lot of my community is good because I believe that I'm a genuine person and that radiates. But sometimes there's some toxicity, but nobody's toxic in my Discord. And I'm saying that for now. I don't know how that's going to be, you know, in 2 months, in 3 months, in a year. I don't know. But as of right now, nobody's toxic. And by the way, I don't even care about the $30. It's $30 a month, bro. I don't even care about the $30 a month. If you're toxic, I'm booting your ass from the VIP Discord. I don't fucking care. Just saying. Like, I'm here to have the best network. It's not even a community. I'm just as much of a part of it as you guys are. It just so happens that my name is on it. No, it's $29.99. And guys, don't listen to me, man. Listen to the people. Look, VIP is a bargain. VIP is worth the money. VIP is 100% better. You know, I don't have a gun to their head. Like, I didn't force them to say that. Can't you? Why can't you just let me go? All right, how long we been streaming for, man? An hour 45. Guys, I'm gonna hop off soon, man. I'm gonna hop off soon. Can't decide, oh, I can't control it, I can. I let Jabs say it and he thinks the earth is flat. Wait, where do you see $12.99? Guys, Jab says his Discord is $28.99. So don't listen to me because, well, actually don't listen to me because I am a complete joke. It should not be taken seriously. Just an incompetent 5 foot 2 3/4 want to be singer. Definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto scam. Making money online is impossible. Being fat is acceptable, and viewer discretion is advised. So make sure that you join. Make sure that you join Jabs's instead of mine because he provides way more value than I do. Yeah, the old price was $12.99. Million times, but the old price didn't have Q&As. The old price didn't have me jumping in on stream trading with you guys. It's because people are willing to invest in themselves. Yeah. Man, I'm telling you, it's not even about the money. It's people now want to be there. And people are less entitled. Before, it was like, yo, just let me in, man. What's the code? What's the code? I was one of the first people who joined your first Discord. Can you get an invite to the VIP Discord? Wait for Black Friday. All right, so this order block isn't doing shit. And just like we said at the beginning of the stream, not the beginning, but earlier in the stream, we had a cheat sheet entry here on the 3. And we said we front ran this guy, and we're going to see. And this, guys, is not an exact stop loss, okay? If you ever see this, listen, I'm going to make this very clear. 95% of the time, I mark it in. I do not set limit orders. Limiting is a scam. Every single time I set limit orders, I get stopped out. It's a scam, or I either get stopped out or I miss it by a millimeter. It's a scam. So don't listen to these, like, don't say, oh, geo stop loss is 433. Same with the entry, man. If this is just an idea, do not ever take this seriously. Isn't join VIP in VIP channels, meaning the people seeing that room are already for VIP? No, the join VIP are... The join VIP is for people, like, that want to buy the VIP. And then when you click join VIP, it takes you here. All right, I personally have learned more from you and Tino than anyone else. Casper is awesome as a Christian, but as a trader, I'm not impressed. I don't even think he's Christian, bro. I don't know if he is, but no, man. You know, dude, he's a better trader than I am. Different. We're different. I took bits and pieces from him. I took bits and pieces from Tino. But I mean, Jay's a lot more let's say Jay's a lot more like on his financial way than I am. I'll say that. Oh, dude, they see it. Yeah, they see it. They see it. Yeah, they can see it. Listen, I'll shout out from the rooftops. The stuff I'm learning being in VIP and since following Geo in general is invaluable. Wait. Is valuable. Is invaluable. You mean beyond valuable or whatever? Channel's public, whatever. You made 30 USD today. Maybe it's a sign to join. Hey, bro, listen. Look, if you join and you don't like it, I will give you your money back. Like, it's not about the money for me. It's good. I'm not gonna say that it doesn't hedge against my losses, because absolutely it does. But wait, what is this? You don't even know he's religious? Yeah, you didn't take anything from him? Bro, I know he's religious, but that doesn't mean he's Catholic or Christian. You get what I'm saying? You guys hear what I'm saying? Just because Just because he's religious doesn't mean he's Christian, okay? I'm Catholic. I'm very religious as well. So, just saying. Just saying, guys. I don't know if he's Christian. No, JC got dislike for me. He's talking a lot about religion. He kind of seems talking bad about Muslims. Yeah, I don't know. Bro, just because he doesn't shut up about Jesus, Jesus is part of like Judaism as well, right? That's all I'm saying. I don't know what he is, and I'm not here to talk about that. He's a great trader. I stand by him. I believe you can get a lot of value in his community as well, and he's done a lot for me. So shouts out to Jay. God bless him and his family. But whether or not him being religious doesn't necessarily mean he's Christian. I'm just saying he could be Jewish. I don't know. Could be like following Judaism or whatever. And to each their own, man. If you're Catholic, if you're Jewish, if you're Muslim, man, all power to you. He's not Catholic, he's Christian. Whatever he is, man. That's all I meant. So like, yo, you can't say I don't even know. I didn't take anything from him, bro. I was like, you think I would be on this channel? Come on, man. Like, you sound foolish a little bit. That's all I'm saying. Jew invaluable means valuable beyond estimation. Guys, you know that I can't words, okay? You know this. I appreciate it though. You know, actually, you know what? You know why I hesitated a little bit on that? Was because I was like, yo, is he I was like, yo, is he, because someone on stream the other day used this one word about me. What was that one word? He said like insufferable or something. Like my singing was insufferable or some shit like that. Anyways, vector candles, bro, vector candles, guys. Vector candles are a cheat, bro. I love it when he talks about Jesus. Jesus was a Jew. Man, look, whatever, bro, whatever. Guys, whatever. We wish him the best. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if you're Muslim, if you're Catholic, if you're Jewish, if you're Buddhist, if you're whatever else there is. Doesn't matter. All the power to you. Insufferable. Yeah. Insufferable was the word. But yo, I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate you thinking that it is invaluable. So funny, you haven't heard so much talk about religion until you started joining all the live crypto threads. I don't know. I mean, I've always been a religious dude. I've always been Catholic. I have not taken off my cross. The only time since I was like literally a baby I've ever taken my cross off ever was when I had surgery because I had to. And then still my cross was under my pillow. I will never, you put a gun to my head and you tell me to take this off and I won't do it. Shoot me. You will never see me without a cross ever. Yeah, dice, bro. That's why I like hesitated there for a little bit. Well, we're talking about money. Let's not. No, man. We're not gonna talk about it. Well, Eric, I appreciate you thinking that I provide value. Could we be going to the highs? What do you mean by highs, the max? Like, do you mean 50K? Because I don't think I think the macro high is in. These are my zones, guys. We already currently rejected from this macro zone number 2, short number 2, and we could come to short number 3 still, which is the best one, which is why I wrote best one. Are we gonna come and take the high? I don't think so. I do not believe that we are going to come and take the high. I don't believe it. I will sit here and say that I was wrong if I was wrong. I have no problem being wrong. But everything to me right now looks like we're not going to take the high again. So I think we're going to see 38K before we see 50K. Can we still see 50K? Yeah. Can we get another divergence? Yes, we can. But I don't think we're going to. Currently, locally, as a scalp, we're looking at this zone. It's real. Jay was hacked. I mean, I don't know why he would lie about that, but I didn't talk to him about it, so I don't know. But I don't imagine he would lie about that. Buy Jesus coin. Jesus is king. Christ is king. I agree with that. God bless me. I appreciate that, man. God bless you as well. Pattern marchers plus market cipher V is success. I'm telling you, Bitcoin slut 1. Bitcoin slut 1. I'm telling you, when you put vector candles in like, yo, look how easy, guys. It is so freaking easy. How many times do I preach this? How many times? You look to the left. When you have a green dot, you look to the left and say these vectors can get recovered. Now, I made a video about how this green dot is already kind of a lagging part of market cipher, okay? Like, this green dot is a green dot which was produced as a result of the move. So you can't see a green dot and long it now because you see a green dot because you already missed it. But if you were on the 30 and you saw this pink vector to the downside, and then you're saying, all right, I'm going to front run the next green dot, and you come on the 10 and you catch a divergence, or you come on the 5 and you catch a divergence, then there you go. It's a hack, bro. It is a hack. Yeah, the stream is kind of lagging for me as well. Guys, I've been on for 2 hours and we're kind of laggy. My Mac is hot AF. No, it's not just you, bro. So this is my time to dip out. Guys, thank you guys for a great stream. I will see you tomorrow as always. And God bless everybody. No, it is me. It is me. It's time for me to go, man. My shit's super hot. My shit's super hot. Guys, I'll see you guys in the Discord later. Peace out. Have a good one. Happy trading. I'll see you tomorrow, if not today. See you later.
Set my heart on fire.